Skittles.
Wow.
And chocolate. Whoa, there's 2 chocolates. What is that?
That is Starburst.
Starburst?
Yeah.
Look, what else? A card. And M&M's for me. Fruit snacks. Spider-Man fruit snacks. And Spider-Man fruit snacks for you.
Yeah.
Open it.
Okay, well, we need to eat some lunch first. Hey, boys, can you tell Grandmommy and Papa thank you?
Thank you.
Daniel.
Mommy, when I eat my supper, I'm going to eat these Skittles.
Okay.
I'm going to eat all the S's. I'm going to eat the M&M's.
Okay.
And this chocolate.
Ooh, delicious. All right, we still have another thing to open.